Hello, my name is Sharice Overstreet. I'm from Colorado Springs, Colorado. And the reason why I wanted to be a nurse is just always visiting my grandparents in the hospital and watching the nurses bring them meds and helping them eat and things like that. I would always want to help out. And actually, I asked a few times when I was younger if I could help give them medicine or even feed them because they weren't able to um, have the strength to do it themselves. So it's always been something inside me, and I guess what's unique about me is I've already been in the medical field for about 15 years. I currently work in an emergency room. I'm an emergency technician, so right now I'm just trying to look to see if I can grow in my field, and I've been watching nurses and doctors for a long time, and I think this is where I need to be. So one unique trait about me is I can roll my tongue, which most people can. Just like that. I can fold it in half, but I can also roll it. I know, kind of weird. But all this is based on a lot of ATP that's produced in the mitochondria. The mitochondria has stored ATP, and I just had lunch, so I use a lot of that glucose that the body created to create this ATP. And using cellular respiration, you need oxygen, which is required for the citric acid cycle, and also electron transport. So then you create this proton gradient, and that built up energy is stored, and through the proton gradient, um, you release the glucose or the ATP so that you can use those muscles like I did in my tongue. So yeah, that's a little bit unique about me. I know it's kind of weird that I show my tongue, but if anything else, hope you guys had a good first couple days of this class. Thank you. Bye.